Good afternoon, everybody. We are here at 1104 Nokomis Ave. Going to do our first little video tour of the place here. So,
Pretty tree you have in front of your yard.
thank you.
It's huge.
It's beautiful. They've done a great job with it.
Yeah. Keeps you shaded.
Yeah, it's wonderful. So you walk up here, carport, long driveway, outdoor seating area with a path that goes around back. We'll get to that. An additional path that goes around the side here and then leads to the back. Really a neat little open area here for planting. There's a little bit of a little atmosphere. Another little outdoor deck area. The theme of this place is outdoors. Everything is geared towards being outdoors and plenty of light. So here we go into the entry. As you can see, vaulted ceilings here, exposed beams. The terrazzo here has really been beautifully restored. I don't know if any of you've seen restored terrazzo, but it's incredible. Fireplace, plenty of natural light coming in. This would be your living room area. And then another little family room off of this over here. You could actually use the dining area too if you wanted to. Once again, exposed beams throughout. Really a neat house, neat older house on the island here. 3-bed, 2-bath. Good sized kitchen, plenty of cabinets, plenty of storage space. You'll see that this has got plenty of closets and things like that so you can store. Normally I lead you into the master bedroom, but I'm gonna go a little off kilter here. This is the laundry room, and I'm gonna take you through the guest bedrooms first. We're leading back through the living room here. Split floor plan, so your guests or your kids can have their own separate space over here while you guys can have your own. But this is the first guest bedroom. Really neat house. Plenty of natural light. 2 reach-in closets. Once again, another little storage closet here. Store linens and things of that nature. Second guest bedroom. Furniture can stay or go. If you need it, great. If not, it can be removed. Another reach-in closet. Leads us to the guest bathroom. Shower tub combo, single vanity. That's probably not the best video work, but I'm hoping people can get a pretty good idea on things here, so we can at least show this place during these times. Tub's immaculate. The whole place is about as clean as a whistle, so grout lines are perfect. Another closet here, just leads back through the living room. Back into the corner here, which leads us to the master bedroom and master suite. Here we are back in the master. Good sized master, exposed beams again, tile floors. I'm gonna spin around here and show you the first walk-in closet that they have. And then right over here to the second walk-in closet. So hers and hers, and I assume gentlemen will get that. Walking into the master bath. Separate toilet room here with a separate sink. Then you have another sink here. Nice feature that you can both kind of have your own separate spaces. Really large walk-in closet, or walk-in shower. 2 separate heads here, which is a nice feature. Plenty of space. Really a neat feature here, outdoor shower with 100% privacy fence here. So if you want to go down to the beach, enjoy the sand, the surf down there, and then you can come down here, rinse off in the privacy of your own space here. Okay. this is really the neatest part of this whole place to me, which is leading out to the back deck area. And here you have one of the coolest places you can have for hosting. Wet bar, separate refrigerator. You got a stand there for mounting TVs. There's a cable jack on above it. Plenty of privacy. You got a big privacy edge here. You got privacy back here. As you can hear, it's about as quiet as it can be. This is a southwestern exposure, but you do have plenty of trees over here for blocking a lot of that sun exposure. So it should be pretty comfortable back here right now. But that's that walkway coming out back. This is actually another little alleyway here, so you can actually come back here and park here as well. So you have the parking up front, you have the parking back here. 1104 Nokomis Ave on the island of Venice. It's going to be coming up here soon, so look out for it. If you have any questions, call Bo Walker at Home and Condo Rentals, 941-484-0670. Thanks. Stay safe through all this. Have a great day.